This is the wild grouse. The wild grouse has been intrigued by Quincameron. Quincameron is going to feed the wild grouse. This could be very, very dangerous. And this wild grouse is very unpredictable. You never know when he may attack. He is now distracted by the food Quincameron has given him. He likes the food. But Quincameron is only waiting for him to attack. This wild grouse is very dangerous. Looks like he may have made friends with Quincameron. Quincameron is very nice to this wild grouse. It is because he has food. But little do we know, this grouse is going to attack. He's making his calls. He is eyeing his prey. He's feeling threatened by Quincameron. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He is going to attack John. Oh. John is being attacked. The wild grouse is very unpredictable. And he can kill you within seconds. Quincameron needs to approach the grouse very quietly, or else he will be spotted and killed. This wild grouse is very dangerous and should not be messed with. But Quincameron has decided to go against this and try to get close to the grouse. He crawls up very slowly, trying to be unnoticed. The grouse has spotted Quincameron, and he is in very grave danger right now. He must get out of this situation as quickly as he can. He's very, very lucky to make that out of it alive. The wild grouse has been spotted again and is very angry now. It was only a matter of time before Quincameron was dead.